Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a video on Capcut. So here I'm using Capcut for PC, and just simple, after you downloaded the Capcut apps, just open, and before you can import the videos, audios and photos here. And for example, click import, and then you can drag here to make a clip, and then here we can add an audio, text, sticker, effect, and many more you can get in from Capcut here. And also you can edit position and size like this, and then I can fill the background by color, and we can remove the background by chroma key, and we can add an animation. There are many animations here, and we can delete the clip, we can split the clip, and then yes, many more we can get in from Capcut. So I think Capcut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one apps. And I think this video is especially for those of you who are using Capcut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, I hope you click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. And then after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner. So bye bye.